Everything about CINCOM is classy, and they now have the new upgraded extra fancy hand massager. Of course, it comes in this really cool color design. I love gold, so I chose the gold. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate my partnership with CINCOM because I love massages. This one is great. It's got, it really gets in there and squeezes the hand. And where it's different and upgraded from what I can tell from the other one is that it kind of does more of a rolling compression. So you've got compression at the fingertips, but you also have compression in the sides, and it's a bit more rolling, and the ball comes up a little bit more. You've got this ball in the center of the hand here, kind of comes up, and it kneads, and oh, it just releases so much tension. Now, I've got a heat function on here. I'm not using it. I'm in Vegas. Hot enough, but the heat is really good for really getting into the muscles and really starting to calm everything down. And from what I can feel right now, the compression is quite a bit stronger on this one. So I'm really enjoying this one. Again, thank you so much for sending this to me to review. I really do love it.